Today we are introducing Single Inbox, a new approach to manage customer conversations in a more meaningful way. Agents can now access past chats by scrolling upwards while chatting with old customers, making it easier to reference previous conversations. We have brought the session-wise chat storing facility, which will ensure continuity of the conversation on both agents' and visitors' side, enabling more effective and efficient support to a business's customers. Additionally, we have brought quote messages, where a customer or agent can reply by quoting any previous message, making the conversation even more seamless. Without the continuity of the chat, this quote message feature could not have been implemented properly. The Single Inbox feature has led to the development of a unified file management. Here agents frequently can access past shared files by simply going to the Media tab in the right panel, where it is sorted according to shared media or documents. This feature is particularly useful for e-commerce, retail, and travel industries. Currently, one of the main challenges is that when a chat is missed or a visitor messages during after business hours, user cannot view it either in the engaged or queued panel. The only way to reach out to a missed chat or offline message is to email the visitor. Our latest update ensures missed chats or offline messages remain in the queue until an agent responds. Visitors will find the agent's reply waiting in their inbox if they come back or are online, reducing unattended chats and improving customer satisfaction. Before Single Inbox, there was no direct way to create a ticket from the chat window. Agent had to go to the ticketing panel for that. With Single Inbox, agent now can create session-wise ticket in real time during the conversation. For example, if a visitor gets support from an agent but again comes back with the same issue, that time the agent may need to create a ticket with a reference to the previous session, where the agent has to select a specific session, provide a subject, describe the issues, and assign a personnel to create a ticket. This will now be possible because of the availability of the previous sessions and ticketing on the chat panel. As presently no session data is preserved, every time a repeat visitor arrives, he has to submit either a pre-chat or offline form depending on the availability of support agents. It is a common request from our existing user is that sometimes visitors don't want to again submit a form, which they previously did. With the introduction of Single Inbox, we have introduced an improvement, where no repeat visitor has to fill up a pre-chat form again, as all previous sessions are saved as part of Single Inbox. So, if the visitor returns to again start a chat, he can directly request an agent without submitting a form. Along with all the mentioned features, we have brought many more significant changes to REVE Chat. We invite you to explore the boundless possibilities of customer engagement by logging to your existing REVE Chat account. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.